Ever wondered where to find a one-stop shop for all your educational needs? Welcome to a comprehensive guide to a website that serves as a treasure trove of knowledge, educationalzone4u.blogspot.com. Imagine a space that caters to a wide array of educational necessities, from study resources to online courses. This website is a beacon of light for students across all boards in Pakistan, be it matric, intermediate, technical, or even universities, a platform that bridges the gap between students and quality education resources. What's more, the website is not limited to specific boards or universities. It stretches its arms wide open to embrace all subjects, all classes, and all grades. Whether it's an ebook of physics for matric students or notes on business studies for university scholars, this website houses it all. But wait, there's more. Not only does it offer academic resources, but it also keeps you updated with the latest educational news and blogs. It's like having a personal academic assistant that keeps you informed about the ever-changing world of education. The beauty of this platform lies in its versatility. It features an extensive academic track where you can follow your academic journey and grade notes to help you understand your progress and areas of improvement. Now, for those who enjoy learning through visual content, the website boasts an impressive video library. These are not just any videos, but ones that spark interest and curiosity. The cherry on top, educationalzone4u.blogspot.com is more than just a website. It's a global education network. It connects learners from all over the world, fostering a community of knowledge seekers. To recap, the website offers an exhaustive range of resources for students across all boards and universities in Pakistan. It provides ebooks, notes, educational updates, blogs, academic tracks, grade notes, and an interesting video library. Moreover, it serves as a global education network connecting learners worldwide. So, whether you're a student looking for study resources or someone eager to stay updated with educational trends, educationalzone4u.blogspot.com is your go-to platform. Dive into this sea of knowledge and explore the endless learning opportunities it offers. Remember, education is the key to unlocking the world, a passport to freedom. Happy learning!